first time I'm meeting Aishu after lockdown.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So lockdown நடுவுல நாங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் baking பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம்.
Yeah. அவங்க தனியா பண்ணாங்க.
இப்போ சேர்ந்து பண்றோம்.
Yeah.
So today we're going to make an orange cake, guys. As you can see, we have all the ingredients. Aishu nalla ponnu madri, she came early and helped me. So this is the orange zest of 3 oranges. Then we have orange juice and pulp mixed together. This is for the cake. This is just orange juice for a glaze.
Okay.
And then we have
Butter.
Yes, melted butter for the cake.
Yogurt, Greek yogurt. Cinnamon powder.
Some eggs.
Fresh cream. Okay.
Our sugar, which we mixed brown and white because we like to pretend that we're healthy. And the flour, okay? So, this is a mixture of maida and almond flour. She likes almond flour.
Yeah,
I also
I
like almond flour. So,
And there's a bit of salt
yes.
and baking powder.
Baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, which we will mention it in the recipe, which comes later. So should we get started?
Yeah, tell me what I should do first.
First, we mix the wet ingredients.
Okay.
So the wet ingredients are butter, sugar. So butter, a good tongue closer. And then I'm adding the sugar. So that's 1 cup sugar and 100 grams butter. You can stir it.
Okay, come on. Talk in Tamil now.
Sorry, Tamil. Also, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து I have oven preheat பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். Settings 175 degrees Celsius.
எனக்கு அது சத்தியமா தெரியாது. I have an oven. அதுல வந்து அந்த டைமிங்கே எனக்கு தெரியாது. அது கரெக்ட்டா ப்ளீஸ் மென்ஷன்.
175 degrees Celsius and I preheated it for 25 minutes.
25
So 25 minutes ல எல்லாமே ரெடி பண்ணிட்டோம்.
Okay, super. So இது நல்ல இது பண்ணுமா mix பண்ணுமா. We have to add
1 cup yogurt, guys. I mean, sorry, half a cup yogurt, which is 100 ml. So now I've kept a spoon here. And also I learned how to cook. Did
Wow,
you know
yeah,
how to
yeah,
cook
yeah.
before lockdown?
Yeah, I always
சுத்தமா தெரியல தெரியுமா?
Today she made
Thai
chicken
curry.
Thai curry, green curry. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. சூப்பரா பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. And I'm glad you learned cooking.
Yeah, that was my big lockdown activity. So we'll add the eggs.
Okay, super.
So you can also
No, I just thought okay. Okay, இது வேண்டாம் இல்ல. Okay, super.
So we'll do 2 eggs and then mix it. And then another 2 eggs.
Okay.
You can keep stirring it. So
எனக்கு actually I think you've been baking cakes for quite some time.
எங்க அம்மா actually from the time I was a kid, I've always grown up seeing my mom bake, right?
சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து
Yeah.
you were telling me that.
So
But எனக்கு வந்து இந்த லாக்டவுன்ல தான் I learned how to bake cakes and healthy
Wow,
version.
yeah.
Yeah, it is super fun.
very therapeutic.
நிறைய பேருக்கு என்னோட வீட்டுக்கு வர guest and friends எல்லாருக்கும் நான் பண்ணி கொடுத்தேன். And my favorite was that pineapple upside down cake.
Nice, no?
Very nice. And mango season.
You know you can make it with mango, apple, and
Yeah, I
any
know.
fruit. It's yummy. Wait, this fruit. So, I think I like to experiment with fruits. So,
Yeah.
I என்னென்னமோ பண்ணியிருக்கேன். Lemon blueberry cake பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அப்புறம் mango cake, apple cake, orange cake.
Orange cake. I think orange is actually very different. I don't think நிறைய நான் இதான் first time taste பண்ண போறேன்.
பயங்கரமா இருக்கும்.
நான் பண்ணது கூட இல்ல orange cake.
So, it's a fun one. Yeah. It's actually really nice. I looked for many recipes.
Fine.
So, this is what we want finally. This is butter, sugar, and eggs.
Super. 4 eggs.
4 eggs. Oh, yogurt add பண்ணிட்டோம்.
Super.
Dun, dun. I like to use Greek yogurt, but you can use whatever you want. I can also put my finger in there.
Does it make any difference? Normal yogurt and Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt is thicker.
But taste wise nothing.
Taste wise,
நான் actually cake பண்ணும்போது yogurt ஆட் பண்ண மாட்டேன்.
yogurt add பண்ணா
You told me last time, you remember?
ஒரு next level க்கு போயிடும்.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like, everybody. அது வந்து முட்டை, சக்கரை, butter and yogurt. Correct?
Super.
Yeah. இப்போ orange juice add பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
Yeah.
This is our last and final ingredients, wet ingredients.
So you told them what is there, right? This is mix of
Orange and pulp.
pulp.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
So in this cake we have used not 1 or 2 but 3 oranges. ஒரு orange juice பண்ணிட்டு செப்பரேட்டா வச்சிருக்கோம். This is for the glaze. And the other 2 oranges we juiced them and got the pulp. And of course the orange rind, which is very important because this gives a nice bitter flavor.
Yeah. And tell them I did this.
Yes, I started
Solliyacha. Okay.
Pinna
Credits.
Aishu அவர்கள் தான் இந்த orange rindai பண்ணாங்க. We'll keep some on top. We'll sprinkle it on top of the cake for decorative purposes. I think that's looking good, yeah.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Hey, ரொம்ப சீக்கிரம் பண்ணிட்டோம் ஐஷு. என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல. We'll just keep, yeah, we have to add the flour. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா add பண்ணலாம்.
Tell me one thing, okay? I always had this doubt. ஏன் அந்த flour வந்து கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா add பண்ணணும்? Because அது திட்டு
Lump ஆயிடும். Lumpy ஆயிடும். அதனால. Yeah.
Some more?
Yeah. Full up. I've tried 10 different cakes
In this lockdown. Okay, which was the best one?
Actually, this orange cake is really, really good.
Okay.
Really, really good. All my cakes, I love.
Have you tried cheesecakes?
இல்ல அது இன்னும் ட்ரை பண்ணல.
இல்ல.
நீ ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்கியா? நான் ட்ரை பண்ணல. But I think my personal favorite is the lemon blueberry cake. அதுல what are carrot cake, banana bread cake. It's all same. Then there's this one orange cake. That's 3. Then the mango upside down cake. That's
Yeah.
4.
That
Then
I saw,
lemon
that I
blueberry
saw.
cake. That's 5. Then a plain vanilla chocolate chip cake. Then a chocolate zucchini cake. அது ஒன்னு பண்ணேன்.
Chocolate zucchini cake.
நல்லா இருக்கும். பயங்கரமா இருக்கும்.
சத்தியமா கேக்குறதே நல்லா இருக்கும்.
You won't even taste the zucchini in the cake. That's
Why do you
all.
have to make chocolate zucchini
Because
cake?
the zucchini adds moisture to the cake, and you think, okay, you're eating vegetables, so it's cool.
So we are almost done now.
Yeah, I know. Guys, it's so much nicer to bake with somebody, actually.
It's easier, no?
So much easier. And
it's
also
fun.
more fun.
Yeah. Okay, what next?
That's
we are
it.
done.
We're done. Let me just check on the oven. We have to pour it into cake. Okay, guys. Now we're just going to pour this batter into the cake. We'll just clear that up.
You're sure we are done?
No, Mama.
15 minutes left.
Yeah, எல்லாமே ரெடி பண்ணி வெச்சிட்டோம்ல. ஒரு final touching இருக்கு. We can add some. This is a bottle
Orange.
of orange essence.
Orange essence. Yeah.
It's not part of the recipe. It's an extra fitting. Extra fitting. ஆமா நிஜமாவே it's an extra fitting. So we just put one. சும்மா
jolly-ஆ.
சும்மா. They are such good girls actually because we came early and we prepared.
Yeah, we prepared.
We actually wanted to go live at 4. We were like, when up on time actually.
You want
I put butter.
Butter, okay.
The tray is being greased. The people who have watched these baking episodes before will know all this.
Okay, now you do it.
You want to taste the batter?
I can.
Yeah, I think you should. It's always important to taste your batter.
Perfect.
You chakra veenuma?
No.
Sure, no?
No.
Sure, la? Sure.
Confident. Pakka.
Orange சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரியே இருக்குல்ல?
It's actually very nice.
So orangey and fresh cake. So, come closer. So that's orange cake batter, guys.
Yeah, you can just show them this.
Done. So now we're gonna put some
Batter.
yeah. இதுக்கு மேல என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon.
Yeah.
Cinnamon and orange is a great combo, by the way. And cinnamon will brown the top nicely. So these are the reasons why we want to add some cinnamon and irukra orange zest obviously.
Super.
You can do that. And now we're going to set the timer for 35 minutes. Yeah.
So you're gonna melt the chocolate, right? You're
No,
gonna use this
final touch. Final. That's for the orange glaze. So now, guys, what we're gonna do is this is juice of one orange, half a lime, plus I have 100 grams of sugar and some cinnamon. And no, we don't need it. So I'm gonna pour this in here. Cinnamon, because I like cinnamon and everything. And the chocolates. Whoa, flame is on low anyway. Yeah, we can break all the lumps. Yeah. So to make this orange cake even more delightful, what we're going to do is, I've got some chocolate, cooking chocolate, guys, and we're going to chop this up, melt it, and make a chocolate ganache out of it. You can add cream cheese and make a cream cheese frosting, or you can add salt, but we don't want to add salt because we have orange as a flavor. So either now, I've learned the hard way that. So I'm adding the cream to the chocolate, okay, and I'm just going to pop it in the microwave.
Do you want to mix it?
Yeah, we should keep mixing it a bit. Let's see what the cake is up to. It's cooking. Okay, maybe, yeah, you know, konjo.
But I think it's done. It's done, Andy.
It'll be a little lumpy because of the big chocolate pieces, but we can pop it in the microwave again. It's not a big deal.
I think it's perfectly done. Lala melt aayirukke. Go make your coffee now.
Okay, fine. Let's show them the cake and then the cake is going to be done. That was just a serious note.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
always
yeah,
cake
yeah.
after.
But we are not serious people at all.
See? Yeah! So this is our glaze which we're going to just smear. Guys, this is our beautiful orange glazed cake. I know you want to eat the cake.
Yeah.
கொஞ்ச நேரம் wait இன்னொரு 5 நிமிஷம் wait பண்ணணும். So while we wait for the cake to cool, you guys can. That's the cake. Thank you all for joining us.
Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you for coming and baking. Finally, we did it. Finally.
Yeah.
Before we all go back to shoot, what a last and final Insta baking session.
Done. And we did it.
And we did it.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And we always love you.
Yes.
And Nandri, Vanakkam.
Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye.
Bye.